Most actors feel defeated and just move on. But here's what pros do instead to turn that rejection into a powerful step forward. That feeling, you poured your heart into an audition, you prepped, you performed, you waited, and then that email arrives. Thank you for your time. We all know how that ends. Most actors let that sting linger, maybe grab some comfort food and try to forget it. But what if that no wasn't a dead end? What if it was actually a hidden clue? Today I'm going to reveal 12 immediate action you can take right now after an audition rejection to not only bounce back, but to actually level up your career. Stick with me because the very first thing you do might actually surprise you. Acknowledge the emotion. It is okay to feel disappointed. Give yourself permission for 60 seconds to feel it. Don't suppress it, but don't let it consume you either. Set a timer if you need to. Resist the urge to ruminate. After your brief moment, actively distract yourself. Call a friend, listen to music, go for a short walk. Don't replay the audition over and over in your head. Hydrate. Your body just went through a performance and emotional energy expenditure. Replenish with water and a healthy snack. Self-care is part of your career. Review your sides. Later in the day, take a detached look at the material. Were there any lines you consistently stumbled on? Any emotional beat you didn't quite land? This is not about self-criticism. It's about learning the material better for the future opportunities. Recall one positive moment. Maybe you nailed a specific line reading or felt a strong connection with the reader. Focus on that small win. Note one area for growth. Identify one specific thing you could have done differently or better. This should be a concrete action, not a general feeling. For example, it could be, I could have made a stronger choice with my physicality in the opening. Update your audition tracker. If you're not tracking your auditions, you're missing vital data. Log the date, project, role, casting director, and any notes about the experience. We will come back to why this is crucial later. Send a brief thank you. If it is standard practice for that casting director, or if you have genuine connection, a short professional thank you email can leave a positive final impression. Keep it concise and avoid asking for feedback. Shift your focus to your pipeline. What other auditions are you preparing for? What self-tape deadlines are coming up? Immediately redirect your energy to the next opportunity. Engage in a creative activity. Do something that you love that is not directly related to acting. You can write, paint, play music. This helps to reignite your creative spark and remind you of your broader identity. Practice your craft. Dedicate some time to general skill building, an acting class, vocal exercises, or instant study. This keeps your instrument sharp and builds confidence for the next audition. Get a good night's rest. Your mental and emotional well-being is paramount. Allow yourself to recover so you are ready for whatever tomorrow brings. Earlier, in step number 7, I mentioned the importance of an audition tracker. Why is this so powerful? It is important because it transforms your rejections from abstract disappointments into concrete data. Over time, you will start to see patterns. Maybe you consistently get called back from a certain type of role but not others. Maybe you notice you always feel less confident with a particular type of material. This log is not just a record of no's, it is a roadmap for your growth and a tangible reminder of your effort and progress in this demanding industry. So there you have it, 12 immediate actions you can take the moment that "not this time" email lands in your inbox. Remember that feeling of disappointment at the beginning? That's a natural human reaction. But by taking these steps, you're not letting that feeling define you. You are taking control, you are learning, and you are actively building a resilient and thriving career. These 12 steps are a powerful start, but they are just the beginning of transforming those rejections into real opportunities. If you're ready to dive deep and unlock a complete system for turning every no into a yes, then my ebook, New Actor's Path, Turning Rejection into Opportunity, is your essential guide. It is packed with strategies, mindset shifts, and practical tools to navigate the audition process with confidence and turn those setbacks into your biggest strengths. Click the link in the description below to get your copy and start your path to a more empowered and successful acting career today. Thank you for watching, and please like the video, and I'll see you next time.